Check out carmarshal.com. The link is in the description. They help support us.
Hello, I'm Joaquin de Moreta. Today is Saturday, March 24th, 2018. It is the latest of the Florida, Nebraska, Nevada, Oregon, Idaho statewide common law grand jury ongoing criminal investigation. David Alan Dundell is fisherman, handyman, racketeer victim by organized conspiracy, racketeer by elected or appointed officers for office of honor or profit in the civil service or uniformed services. On December 27, 2017 at 12 p.m., David Alan Dundell was set up to retrieve a narcotic package. The UPS narcotic package was sent to David Alan Dundell by UPS driver with phone number 941-769-2598 through the UPS store supervisor Laura Flynn and UPS handler Cindy Canero, located at UPS Distribution Center, address 4186 Kings Highway, Punta Gorda, Florida 33980. On December 27, 2017 at 4 p.m., Deputy Cody Forbes, doing business as Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Florida, kidnapped David Alan Dundell. On December 27, 2017, at 4 p.m., David Alan Dundell also was kidnapped by unlawful masked men, unidentified men, doing business as impounding officer Richard Hamlott for Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Florida. On December 27, 2017, David Alan Dundell was kidnapped and unlawfully incarcerated for 7 hours. On December 28, 2017, Roger D. Eaton, doing business as clerk for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and for Charlotte County, Florida, set criminal arraignment for kidnapped victim David Alan Dundell within date February 12, 2018 at 8:30 a.m. On December 28, 2017, George C. Richards, doing business as judge for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and for Charlotte County, Florida, granted criminal arraignment for kidnapped victim David Alan Dundell within date February 12, 2018 at 8:30 a.m. On December 28, 2017, Stephen Russell, doing business as state attorney for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and for Charlotte County, Florida, affirmed 3 criminal counts: Florida Statute 893-13-6A, Florida Statute 823-10-1, and Florida Statute 893-147-1 against kidnapped victim David Alan Dundell for criminal arraignment date February 12, 2018 at 8:30 a.m. On December 28, 2017, Kathleen E. Sorenson, doing business as assistant state attorney for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and for Charlotte County, Florida, assisted for racketeering kidnapped victim David Alan Dundell. The corporations for profit that racketeer David Alan Dundell are doing business as: Number 1, UPS, located at 4186 Kings Highway, Port Charlotte, Florida 33980. Number 2, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office at 7474 Utilities Road, Punta Gorda, Florida 33982. Number 3. Office of the State Attorney at 350 East Marion Avenue, Punta Gorda, Florida 33950. Number 4. Charlotte Circuit Court at 350 East Marion Avenue, Punta Gorda, Florida 33950. Facts verified on January 29, 2018 at 10:21 a.m. David Alan Dowdell for preserving authentic evidence for public trial, for the court of records, undeniable evidence, for the absolute, for the facts, for the truth, under the pains and penalties for perjury, file a document titled Affidavit. David Alan Dowdell Affidavit, 8 pages. Was filed in the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and for Charlotte County, Florida, for case number 1700-2342F, Official Record Book 4277, page 108, instrument number 2582823, page 1, paragraph 1. On December 27, 2017, while eating lunch, David Alan Dowdell received a phone call from someone identifying themselves as a driver for the United Parcel Service, also known as UPS. This phone call and subsequent calls referenced in this affidavit came from the number 941-769-2598, paragraph 2. The person who called David Alan Dowdell stated that UPS had a package for David Alan Dowdell and that it was put on the wrong truck. 3. The supervisor was going to bring it to the UPS distribution center located on Kings Highway in Port Charlotte, Florida. 4. The caller instructed David Alan Dowdell to come to the location to retrieve this package. David Alan Dowdell stated to the caller that this was odd, as David Alan Dowdell was not expecting any packages. Paragraph 5. Subsequently, over the next few hours, David Alan Dowdell received at least 3 more calls from this person and number 941-769-2598. Number 6. They even left a message for David Alan Dowdell on his voicemail. Number 7. Finally, later in the day, while at work, David Alan Dowdell requested that they just deliver to David Alan Dowdell the next day. Number 8. David Alan Dowdell was told this was not possible because of some scanning issue and that David Alan Dowdell had to come to the location to pick it up. Number 9. David Alan Dowdell asked what time they closed and was told 4 p.m. Paragraph 10. After working all day and around 4 p.m., David Alan Dowdell made his way to the UPS distribution center at Kings Highway in Port Charlotte, Florida. Paragraph 11. David Alan Dowdell parked his car in the parking lot of the location and proceeded it into the office. Number 12. David Alan Dowdell, after identifying himself to the person at the desk, this person had David Alan Dowdell sign on an electronic device and handed a package to David Alan Dowdell. Number 13. David Alan Dowdell did not recognize the package. It was a plain brown box. Number 14. David Alan Dowdell looked briefly at the label and did not recognize the sender. Affidavit, page 2, paragraph 15. David Alan Dowdell had no idea what it could be, gave it a shake, and with it proceeded it out of the office. Number 16. David Alan Dowdell opened the back of his station wagon and put the package inside the back of the vehicle. Paragraph 17. David Alan Dowdell got into the driver's seat, started the vehicle, put it into reverse, and before the station wagon moved 2 feet, a sheriff's vehicle with lights flashing pulled up behind, interfered with the traveling of David Alan Dowdell. Number 18. A black pickup truck as well pulled up to David Alan Dowdell on the opposite side. Number 19. A sheriff or two exited the marked vehicle. Paragraph 20th. A masked man exited the pickup truck. They had weapons drawn and told David Alan Dowdell to keep his hands where they could see them. On January 30th, 2018, David Alan Dowdell, in accordance with the forever supreme law of the land, Common Law Clause 52 and Clause 61, directed in writing to Florida statewide common law grand jury administrators and requested a demand to amend with no delay directed for the racketeering criminals. Therefore, February 1st, 2018 at 11:13 a.m., Joaquin de Moreta, Florida statewide common law grand jury administrator, went in the sheriff's office.
Hello, how are you? Good, thanks. I need to speak with somebody about the records. I have here a document that was issued by your office, and I need to talk about it with somebody, maybe the sheriff or somebody that you find. This is my name. I'm common law grand jury administrator, and I need to speak with somebody about this document.
And demanded from elected or appointed officers the following law mandatory evidence. Number 1, oath of office. Number 2, surety bond and liability insurance. Number 3, proof for officer residency, officer householder, ordered by law, Florida Statute Title 10, Public Officers, Employees and Records, Chapter 113, Title Commissions, Section 113071, Title Sureties upon Official Bonds, wherein the officer for the faithful performance of duties shall have an encumbered property in such county that is not exempt from sale under legal process. Number 4, December 27th, 2017, warrant signed under oath by a judge for reasonable search and reasonable seizure of David Alan Dowdell. Number 5, December 27th, 2017, video audio when racketeered victim David Alan Dowdell was kidnapped. On February 1st, 2018, at 11:58 a.m., racketeer victim David Alan Dowdell and Florida statewide common law grand jury administrator Joaquin de Moreta went to the UPS office for public trial evidence.
Hello. Pretty good. How are you? Hello. I am Joaquin de Moreta, common law grand jury administrator.
Okay. He's going to come and get it. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'm Joaquin de Moreta, common law grand jury administrator, and the reason that we are here is because David Alan Dowdell, he was here, and he was told to receive a package that you gave to him.
David who?
Alan Dowdell.
Okay.
And right after, he don't recognize who sent the package to him. He did not know him, but right there in the parking lot, he was arrested.
Hmm.
I want to know the name of your supervisor here, and I would like to speak with him.
4-4? My supervisor right now is tied up.
I can wait.
Well, she's meeting drivers. Let me go see if she's left.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me go see if she's left yet.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
How you doing, Joaquin?
Figured.
Laura, what can I do for
Laura,
you?
nice to meet you. Laura, the other day here, this person, David Alan Dowdell,
Okay.
he was called to come over here
Okay.
by one person that says that works here.
Okay.
Okay, and I got the number
Okay.
of that person, and I would like to know who is he.
So I'm gonna have to, and then I'll have someone from my security will get back to you. But you'll just have to leave some information for me. Let me do some investigating and looking into, and then I will have security get back to you on your answers.
Okay, so I
'cause-
can directly send it to you formally in writing what we need.
Well, you can, whatever it is you're looking for, I will have to just have it, get with security, get the information, or find out whatever information you're asking
And your
for.
name is Laura?
Correct.
And what is your family name?
My last name is Flynn, F-L-Y.
Laura.
Correct.
Okay, so I will send you the documents in writing so you know what we need.
Correct, and
They
then whatever
can send
information.
to your security and
Yeah.
they can contact us.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
This is your card, right?
This is
where
my card. You can
yeah.
have it.
Yeah.
from February 7th, 2018. Elected or appointed officers, parties within court case number 1700-2342F were served via legal process. Service as follows. Number 1, February 7, 2018, demand to provide oath of office and surety bond, 3 pages. Number 2, January 27, 2017, affidavit David Allen Dowdell, 8 pages. Number 3, Racketeering Cody Forbes. Number 4, January 30th, 2018, David Allen Dowdell demand to amend with no delay. Number 5, Notice of court date. Number 6, Judicial notices, 26 pages. On February 9th, 2018, Kathleen E. Sorenson, doing business as Assistant State Attorney for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and Fort Charlotte County, Florida, after injured victim David Allen Dowdell, with no verdict, remedy for justice, obstructed justice by attempted closing of the court, case number 1700-2342F, for the 3 counts not filing charge. On February 20th, 2018, at 10:45 a.m., Kathleen E. Sorenson, doing business as Assistant State Attorney for the Circuit Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in and Fort Charlotte County, Florida, refused to accept copies for Stephen B. Russell, wherein obstructed justice. Wherefore, felony crime count number 62, count 1, titled Racketeering, count 2, titled Interfere with Traveling, count 3, titled On Public Property Unlawful Wearing a Mask, count 4, titled Unlawful Unreasonable Seizures, count 5, titled Unlawful Unreasonable Searches, count 6, titled Unlawful Kidnapped, count 7, titled Unlawful Tortured, count 8, titled Extortion, 30 counts, count 9, titled Theft, count 10, titled Obstruction of Justice, 3 counts, count 11, titled Perjury, count 12, titled Impersonating Officer, count 13, titled Contempt of Court. Thank you very much to all we the people, honorable patriots, for your stand, for your courage, for your support, for your protection. Dear Lord, please keep blessing abundantly all your people with firm reliance on the protection of divine providence. We mutually pledge to each other our lives, our fortunes, our sacred honor. Dear Lord, please grant the grace to your people to stand as one, Lord, with you, Lord, at your side. Lord, you said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. We must stand with you, Lord, for you are the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Please visit our website www.wethepeoplecommunelawgrandjury.com for more updates. May our Lord bless all of us in all our goings and in all our comings. Bye now.
County. This is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I wanted to explain what fair use is. You can use pieces of news articles if you're doing it for news reporting, you have commentary, and you're doing it for education purposes. So that's what fair use is, as you can see right here. Another reason why I wanted to make this video is to let you know I just joined with Patreon. A nice thing with Patreon, I make no money on YouTube. They took the money away years ago. And so this is another way to give, and it's a nice thing too because you can give monthly. You can give $1, $5, $10, whatever. I do 4 to 5 hours a day on trying to wake the sheeple up on how corrupt it is and different ways that you can fight the corruption. So Patreon is a way that you can do it, and then of course the old way is still there. Donate to Sheriff County Cop Watch with PayPal or credit card. So keep that in mind. 4 to 5 hours a day. I make no money, but the corruption happened to me, and I'm sick of it. So I'm trying to wake people up. But my wife would love it if some, if we could get some help out there. There's 47,000 subscribers. Just think if each one of you subscribers just gave a, let's say, actually, yes, $1 a month. 47,000 subscribers gave $1 a month. That would be awesome. That's not going to happen. But anyways, that would be great if it did happen. But, do the math in your head. Just think about it. Like I said, 4 to 5 hours a day. I get no money from YouTube. YouTube has gone nuts. You can't do anything anymore. They're taking the money away everywhere. So these are a couple different ways that you can still help out with all this time that I put in. And as you know, I'm in a special situation where, at least I can do it, 4 to 5 hours a day. We have a cleaning company during the day. That's what allows me to do this, and we're debt-free. So this is my hobby. I don't go fishing and all that other crap. I try to save the world. So help me out to make the wife happy, man. In fact, if you guys did give $1 a day, and there was 47,000 of you, and you did it, and each of you gave $1, and that was every month, oh my God, yes, I could quit. I could start suing them. Another idea too that we have is, if I got, some funds, we could actually contact everyone that has been ticketed and or arrested and put in jail and start sending them postcards to let them know we're here, and to see if everything went all right, and if it didn't, find out their story. So we could even do more investigations and more lawsuits. Lawsuits take money. So just think about that. 47,000 of you so far right now. $1 a day. $1 a month on Patreon, or $5 a month Patreon, 10, 20, whatever. Just do the math in your head. Help out. This is a lot of work every single day. Thanks.